Are you busy? Siyempre, parati akong busy at habang tumatanda ako, lalo akong nagiging busy. Akala ko it was only the time that I was running 5 businesses. It was the time na nababaon na kami sa utang and I had to hustle to make all 5 businesses work. Walang katapusang meetings, coaching ng tao ko, attending courses to learn, pirma dito, pirma doon. Can you relate? Pero alam mo anak, kapag business owner ka, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of running a business. Pero ngayong malalaki ng mga anak ko, ang tanging regret ko lang sa buhay is that I was not able to prioritize my time na para makabanding ko sila nung sila'y lumalaki. The only time we had together was during our annual vacations. But even then, may nakasaksak pa rin na earphone sa tenga ko at nakikinig ako sa mga tapes ni Tony Robbins or ni John Maxwell. Alam kong busy ka talaga anak, but listen to an old woman like me. Make time for the people you love, including yourself. Kahit na a few minutes each day lang. Time runs too fast and before you know it, malalaki na silang lahat at may kanya-kanya na silang buhay. Remember to do this and be business-minded Pinoy.